Today's project is a more complex circuit. This is what I call the LED game, but it's sort of like the classical game of Mastermind. You use these buttons to guess the color that this LED displays. Here, I'll give a demo. So I'll click the reset button on the Arduino, and you can see this light turns red because that's the color I've set it to turn. And now if I click this button, you can see that was the correct color, and so it starts blinking red. If I play this again, it shows me the color, and then I click this one, and it's incorrect. And there you go. The instructions for this one are all in the blog post just because it's so complicated that it's not very great of a project to explain in a video.